Twitch, welcome back, Twitch. Twitch.tv/smAsho. Today's meteorology segment starts out with looking at the jet stream. And look at this S-shaped bend in the jet stream down here. Two 180-degree bends here south of Australia. By the way, the Earth's south geomagnetic pole is someplace around here. And we'll look at the surface winds as well. There are the surface winds of the eastern world. Surface winds of the western world are next. Some very strong winds at the southern tip of Greenland, actually. And here are the jet streams of the west. Quite chaotic on this side of the planet as well. Next, looking at lightning, and we see quite a bit of lightning here on a global scale. Some in West Africa, some in the U.S. Let's check out the terrestrial lightning in the U.S. Hey, Atlanta. There's no thunder rolling in. Although Nashville has seen some fresh lightning strikes just south of it. Anyway, there's the lightningmaps.org scenario for lightning. It's a real-time lightning map, lightningmaps.org. And here's the NASA GOES lightning mapper. Showing you the last 5 hours. Long string of lightning stretching all the way from Kansas to Wisconsin here, as well as heavy lightning over southern Mississippi, Alabama, western Tennessee. And so we see the entire central portion of the country here in the U.S. totally encased in low pressure and some turbulent weather indeed. Let's advance this into tomorrow. Here's the Euro forecast, actually, for pressure at 1 p.m. tomorrow Eastern Time. And we've gone to tropical tidbits now to show a forecast map. So here's the precipitation rate. We're seeing additional snowfall happening here in Wyoming and Colorado. Despite all that hot air coming out of Colorado, snow continues to fall. So we're expecting some heavy storms here over central Wisconsin, northern Arkansas, and then southern Illinois, eastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, western Kentucky, western Tennessee. So that's how that's expected to play out there, folks. That's the Tropical Tidbits GFS forecast. Some very heavy storms forecasted for the Illinois, Missouri, Kentucky border region. Here's the current U.S. Doppler radar map. Note the time and date stamps. Snow also falling in Montana and Idaho and Utah. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. Got this long string of clouds here stretching from the Yucatan Peninsula to Florida. Also a bunch of low clouds once again here over the North Atlantic. Here's a water vapor map. There's the cloud layer. Again, there's the U.S. Doppler radar. I would note one thing that's very obvious here in the cloud layer and the water vapor map. This powerful low pressure here. It's moving quite steadily to the northeast. And we're expecting it to largely continue that path at least for the next 24 hours or so. One last time, there's the U.S. Doppler radar map. Here's the cloud layer. And here is the water vapor. And that's today's meteorology segment. We'll have to say goodbye to Twitch. Bye, Twitch.